Hi, my name is Megan Whedon, and today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Neuclo Luxe watch. First, I noticed it comes with a beautiful sleeve, so it's quite sustainable as well. So on the back it has all the functionalities mentioned. So it has the health features, the heart rate monitor, the sleep tracking, the health data, some exercise feature like the multi-sports mode, so you can choose between walking, hiking, running and biking, obviously the pedometer and also the calorie tracking. It has the alarm clock, the stopwatch, weather function, a reminder for when you're sedentary, the hydration reminder as well. Right, let us open the box so we see what's inside the box. Lovely box made from quite a durable material. It comes with 2 magnets as well, so it's easy to open and close. The watch, beautiful at first sight. It's leather strap. Take it inside. There is the charger, easy to use. It has a stand where you just place the watch. Product authenticity card, a thank you card, and another card where it says Neuclo Sustained. It's quite a sustainable company, eco-friendly company. The manual that is very short and self-explanatory, giving more details about the functions and how to use the watch. Right, now that we went through the main functions, let us see how it looks on the watch. I'm going to open it. The strap is beautiful. So it comes in 2 colors, in rose gold and also exploring silver. I like the leather strap because it looks like an analog watch, but it's like combining the analog watch and with the features of a smartwatch for those of you that have busy lives and need to keep up with tracking your health as well. Let us peel this. It is quite sturdy as well. I like the metal case. On the back it has a plastic case. Feels very nice on the hand as well. I'm going to look at the faces of the watch. So there's various faces you can choose from. I'm going to be choosing this one today. So you just wait and it selects itself. With a very quick swipe, you just enter all the functions the watch has. So it has the message function. Let us start with the sports data. With a click, it shows the steps, distance and calorie count. Quick swipe, the heart rate. Shall we check this? So there's on the back the tracker for the heart rate. I'm going to quickly check the heart rate. Yes, there it goes. Going back with a little swipe, it has message function, so you can check the messages on your smartphone when you pair the watch with the smartphone. The sleep tracker, so you can monitor the quality of your sleep. The weather function there. The different modes, sport modes you can choose from: walking, running, hiking, biking. Okay, has the timer. There it goes, showing you how it works. You can just stop it, go back. Adjust the brightness, so it can make it even brighter. Right, adjust it and going back. Can shut it down from here as well. Right, with a swipe down, you can access other functions here, the settings and turning off the phone, quickly checking your messages or the distance and the steps, also the calorie tracker. It features, so it's IP67 waterproof, which is good. You can take it in the shower, or you're not scared of taking it for a run in the rain, so it's waterproof. So the purpose of the video today is to assess the functionalities, and the design is superb. I mean, it's very sustainable, resistant. It looks very elegant as well, so it can be used for both ladies and gentlemen as well. And my verdict is that it's worth the price due to the functionalities it has and its design. So yeah, give it a thumbs up. I hope you all have a good day. Bye for now.